Good afternoon, friends. This is your digital communication lecture. In today's lecture, we have to study our next subpoint is cyclic codes. Okay, in cyclic codes, we have to study what is cyclic code. Okay, what is non-symmetric cyclic code, which is used for encoding. What is symmetric cyclic code, which is used for decoding in detail. Okay, a subclass of linear code having a cyclic structure, the code vector can be expressed in the form C is equals to Cn minus 1 into Cn minus 2 into C1 C0. A new code vector in the code can be produced by cyclic shifting of another code vector. For example, a cyclic shift of all n bit one position to the left gives C dash is equals to Cn minus 2 into Cn minus 3 dash 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 starting from Cn minus 1 step. Okay. A second shift produces another code vector C double dash. Then Cn minus 3, Cn minus 4 up to Cn minus 2. Clear? In cyclic code, the cyclic property can be treated mathematically by associating a code vector C with the code polynomial C of x. Okay, C of x is equals to C0 plus C1 into x plus C2 into x square plus up to Cn minus 1 into n minus 1. The power of x denotes the position of the code word bit. The n minus k cyclic code is defined by the generator polynomial. The coefficients are either ones and zeros. Clear? Then g of x is equals to x raised to n minus k plus g n minus k minus 1 into x of n x raised to n minus k minus 1. Clear? Up to g1x plus 1. The coefficient g are such that x of x is a factor of xn plus 1. These, these mathematical expressions study in detail in further part. Here I will explain what is cyclic code in short or a easy format. Okay, that mathematical equations also explain here. Okay, definition: a linear code is called a cyclic code if every cyclic shift of a code word is also a code word. Clear? Thus, if a is equals to an minus 1, a n minus 2 up to a0, like there is C is used to denoted by cyclic code. Here A is any alphabet you can use. Okay, is the cyclic code word of the cyclic code of length n, then the cyclic shift of this code word is n minus a n minus 2 a n minus 3 up to a n minus 1 also. Clear? Is the code word of the same code shifting all bits to the left one position yield another code word as an minus 3 n minus 4 up to an minus 2. Generation of cyclic code. Okay, first is non-systematic cyclic code. The output code word is generated using polynomial multiplication. Procedure is there. First step is for d is equals to a1, a2 up to ak. Okay, data words. Okay, write the data word in terms of the power of dummy variables and with a1 weighted as MSB, most significant bit, and ak as LSB, least significant bit is there. Clear? That is d of x is equals to a2 plus ak plus ak minus 1 of x plus ak minus 2x square plus up to the a1 xk minus 1, where plus is module 2 addition XOR. Clear? For example, if d is equals to 11101, then d of x is equals to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. If d of x is equals to 1 plus x square plus x raised to 6, then d of 1000101 is there. Right? Multiplication. multiply d of x by what is called generator polynomial g of x of order r. This g of x is one of the factor of x raised to n plus 1. For example, if n is equals to 7, then x raised to 7 plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 in another bracket x cube plus x square plus 1, another bracket x cube plus x square plus 1 is there. Clear? For n is equals to 7, r is equals to 3. We can choose either g of x is equals to g x cube plus x square plus 1 or x cube plus x plus 1. Okay? The output code word will be c of x is equals to d of x into g of x. Then c of x is used to find the output code word c. Here is the example for the systematic cyclic code. Okay. Example is write down here. I think everyone should able to see the example. Example is write down the cyclic table for the 7-4 non-systematic cyclic code with generator polynomial g of x is equals to x cube plus x plus 1. Okay. Here for solution we write the given data first. We got the information k is equals to 4, value of r is equals to 3. Then d is equals to k is 4 means last bit is 4, right? Then a1, a2, a3, a4. So the code table will be for 4 bit, right? Then a1, a2, a3, a4. For 4 bit we have to write 2 raised to 4 means 16, right? Means 0 to 15 numbers are there. Then for a1, a2, a3, a4, first number is 0. Binary number for 0 is 4 times 0. Binary number for 1 is 0001. Then binary number 3 for 3 binary number is 0010. 2 sorry 10. For binary number 3 it is 0011. Clear? Everybody? Up to 15. Observe this. Here d is equals to 0001. Then d of x is equals to 1, right? Then c of x is equals to d of x into g of x is equals to 1. Then what we get? What is the generator polynomial? X cube plus x plus 1, right? As c is equals to 000111 is there, right? Then note down. Same. d is equals to 0010. Then d of x is equals to x. Then c of x is equals to x in bracket x cube plus x plus 1 means x cube into x means x raised to 4 plus x into x is x square plus 1 into x is there. Then c is equals to 110. Again for d is equals to 0011. Then d of x is equals to x plus 1. Then what after solving we get c of x is equals to x plus 1. X cube plus x plus 1 is equals to x cube plus x plus 1 plus x4 x raised to 4 plus x square plus x is equals to x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1, and so on with the rest of codes. Clear? Like that we will find out up to 4 times 1 1. C value is there. In table last is WI, that means the number of ones present. Like that we have to solve this, okay? Next is systematic code, cyclic code. The polynomial representation may be used with the same generator polynomial x of x used in non-systematic code as discussed earlier. Non-systematic codes. Same polynomial representation is used in systematic cyclic code. Procedure is, first step is find d of x from D. Then select g of x of order r from factorization of x raised to n plus 1. Then third step, c of x is equals to x dash d of x plus rm x r dx upon g of x, where rem is the remainder of long division. Clear? And fourth step, use c of x to find c. Note that c of x consists of two parts. The first is x dash d of x, which is the same information data shifted to left by r position. The second is the remainder x dash d of x upon g of x of order r minus 1, which is the r LSB of the output word or parity bits. Hence C, we have the form C is equals to A1, A2, AK. C1, C2, CR is there, right? Find the cable table for 7-4 systematic cyclic code generator by g of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus 1. Here is the example for same. N is 7, K is 4 and R is 3, right? 4 bit is there. Again 0 to 15 numbers decimal there. Binary numbers are used as A1, A2, A3, A4. 4 inputs are there. Then C1, C2, C3 is there. Cyclic code is there. We have to calculate that in following way. Write down the given data here. N is equals to 7, K is equals to 4, R is equals to 3 is there, right? For D is equals to 0, 0, 0, 1 for first A1, A2, A3, A4 input, right? D of x is equals to 1, same like non-systematic. Then x dash ds is equals to x cube into 1, that is x square, because R value is 3. Perform division x cube with our polynomial x cube plus x square plus 1. X cube is there. X cube means 1. Remainder is x square plus 1 is there, right? Then c of x is equals to x r dx plus remainder. Remainder is x square plus 1. Then c of x is equals to x raised to r df x plus remainder. We have calculated the x raised to r dx, which is value is x cube. Then plus remainder is x square plus 1 is added there. Then we got 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. Right? Note that the remainder gives directly the R parity bits if written in binary form. For second is input. D is equals to 0010 is there. Then D of x is equals to x. Then x raised to r dx is equals to x cube into x is x raised to 4. Again perform division between polynomial and our x raised to r into dx means x raised to 4. Here is x cube, in here is x4, then x plus 1 is there, x cube plus x cube and x4, then x is there, then x4 plus x cube plus x is x cube plus x cube is there, plus 1 is the value, and our remainder is x square plus x plus 1. Again same, calculate c of x is equals to x raised to 4 plus x square plus x plus 1 means c 0010 is there. For d 0011 d of x is equals to x plus 1, third input. Then x raised to r into dx is equals to x cube, x plus 1 is equals to x raised to 4 plus x cube, right? Then what we get, x raised to 4 plus x cube. After division we get the remainder x is there. Then c of x is equals to x raised to 4 plus x cube plus x. Then value of c is 001110, right? And so on with the rest of nodes. For rest of inputs you have to calculate like that only. Implementation of cyclic encoder. Next topic. Partially the long division required is encoding is done using logic circuit that implements the division by g of x polynomial. In general, g of x is equals to g0 plus g1x plus g2x square plus up to grxr, right? Then g0 is equals to gr is equals to 1. Always for any fractional of x raised to n plus 1. Hence, only g1, g2 up to gr minus 1 is shown in the implementation circuit. Right? Here is dcr minus 1. Observe the diagram. Here is the implementation circuit is there. Here the logic circuit is called modular. Feedback shift registers implemented using D flip-flop with synchronized clock. Okay, then circuit operation. Switch S is at position 1, giving the data bits to C output and at the same time for K clock pulse. The control Z is enabled. Then Z is equals to 1 to feedback the contents to the register to produce C1, C2 up to CR bits at the end of the last clock. Clear? S is at the position 2. Then what happens? Z disabled to get these R parity bits to C, and at the same time R zeros will be feedback to the register to initialize the register to the next data block. Clear what happened? Observe implementation circuit. The logic circuit is a modular and feedback shift register implemented using the D flip-flop, right? With synchronized clock. What happened here? When switch is connected to 1,